Welcome back. In this video, we'll create the sign up activity and design its layout. Create a new activity, empty views activity, and I'll name it as sign up activity. Click finish, open the sign up activity layout, go split mode, and inside it, I'll add the views that I'll use in our sign up activity. I'll start with the edit text. Then I'll create a button. Don't worry, I'm going to create these views, the username and the email in this video. Then I need to create another edit text and I name it as username_et. Then I'll create a text view, just a title for this activity. And the last view here inside our sign up activity is an autocomplete text view. And we talked about this in the previous layouts. Here we go. Then I need to change the background of this layout. I'll use this, it's good. And I can change text color to white and the size to 24 SP. Okay, this is good. And of course, you can download this layout and the source code from the resources folder under this section.